What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you one amazing setup that we are nearing now. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we hit the range of $29.91, and it was a golden pocket, and this range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal, and we should have right here at least a bounce, and this range was taken by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we completed all 5-wave structure. And let me show you how technical this asset is. We had a very good bounce to the upside for several percent, I guess 2.5% roughly this range. Then we broke it to the downside, and as you can see we hit the next Fibonacci retracement level of 0.786. It is at $28.91. We broke it to the downside as well, but then found huge support line right here, exactly at this range, and we touched it second time and had another bounce to the upside, but eventually on the Monday's session we broke it to the downside, but this movement wasn't really huge because we had a lot of blood on markets on Monday, but NIO is quite strong at this moment. So my main setup for the swing traders was to enter the position right here at the golden pocket with the stop loss slightly below previous bottom. Let me show it to you right here, and the stop loss was about 7.95%. We didn't hit this range, we didn't break a previous bottom, so technically we are still more bullish, and you could accumulate your position all the way down to this stop loss, and depending on this your potential losses might be as low as potentially 3%. So not so big losses if we will hit this range. And the upside potential, let me show you that it was quite massive to our previous swing high. It is about 47.33%, but we also had several more levels for the swing traders. So I think it is quite a good setup, and still it is a rather good setup, but I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, right after we will take a look on the fundamentals of this company. So, on January the 10th, on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that is titled NIO Time to Break Free, and the summary is following. NIO shares sit at multi-month lows despite strong operational performance. The Chinese Communist Party is loosening its grip, and NIO is in the midst of international expansion. 2022 will be a year full of challenges and risks, but I still think NIO will thrive. And I think it is quite bullish article, and you can read it by yourself. The main idea of this article is that NIO for now has extremely strong fundamentals, because they are about to hit new markets, European and even American markets. And this news only might drastically affect the fundamentals and might drastically increase their price targets. So, a couple of words about price targets. First of all, we have this article on cnevpost.com, and it was published on January the 10th, and it's titled HSBC rises NIO price target to $54 from $53, maintains Y rating. And let me show you that it is quite interesting increase for just $1, and let me quote this. HSBC's price target increase is not due to a change in their expectations for NIO's sales or valuation, but rather due to changes in exchange rates. So it's quite interesting that US dollar is not so strong for now, and we all know the reason, but this price adjustment was made directly because of this reason. And we have another good news on Reddit thread related to NIO. I found this document, and let me show you it in details. It is a meeting sprint on NIO 2022 Outlook conference call with CFO, and it is extremely interesting document, and you can read it by yourself. I just want to pay attention on their price target. Right here, as you can see, the price target that was set by Credit Suisse is $83. And it is a very good price target for this company. And let me show you that overall, this company has 9 ratings and on TipRanks, and 8 of them suggest to buy, 1 suggests to hold, and 0 suggests to sell. And the price targets are following. It is a $45 as the lowest price target, $60.88 as average price target, and the highest price target is $87. So even to an average price target, the upside potential for this stock is more than 100%. And I have to say that all in all, this company might outperform the market, and this company might outperform even this forecast. And let me show you that on linkedin.com we have a lot of opened position for the NIO's office in the United States. Let me show you this in details. Fleet Process and Experience Senior Manager. And let me quote you this paragraph. The business and corporate development team at NIO USA is responsible for the strategy, planning and execution of NIO's go-to-market for the Americas. And in my opinion, it is extremely important that it is not only for the United States of America, but for the Americas. This means they have plans to hit the Canadian and Mexican markets as well, and even the South American markets. And in my opinion, it is a huge plans that in upcoming decade will make this company one of the leaders of the EV industry. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have a massive decrease in price during just several sessions, and it was made right after we had this massive surge in price. And the positive sign of this movement to the downside is that we don't have a huge red volume compared to this green volume that we had on this wave. This means potentially this is just a retracement, and we might have a next leg to the upside to hit higher targets, because for now we are pretty much at the same. We hit pretty much the double bottom pattern as well, and we have this range. Let me mark it for you like this. We have this range as a strong range of support. And from this range we might have next leg to the upside. And if you want to enter your position with this asset as a swing trader, your entry point might be right here at the opening hours, and your stop loss should be slightly below previous bottom at about 4.66% of potential losses. And the upside potential for this swing trade is still the same if we measure from the current price. So we might have up to 53% to this target, up to 36% to this range, and up to 19% to this first level. And let me show you another very good setup. If I zoom out to the weekly time frame and clean the chart a little bit, and let me show you these two levels. This is the level of support and this is the level of resistance, and I connect the bottoms with this line and the tops with this one. And this pattern is extremely bullish pattern. It is a falling bullish wedge, and usually in the most cases this pattern breaks to the upside. But in my opinion, we might hover for quite some time, and we might hit the golden pocket, the major golden pocket range as our major accumulation point. This range I marked back in January or February 2021, and it is still in play. And in my opinion, if we break this bottom that I marked just a couple of minutes ago, we might hover like this. So let me show you. We might have this movement to the downside, then potentially we might hit this range, and then if we will go lower and hit this accumulation point, right after that we might break this formation to the upside and hit higher targets. So if it is the case, it will be very good potential setup for you, and I think it will be the setup of 2022. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!